Hi everyone, welcome to Ayesha's English Oasis, aka AEO. This video is for teachers looking for a creative way to teach parody and bring some holiday cheer into their classroom. Today, I'm going to walk you through an engaging, fun lesson plan using the Christmas parody, Jingle Bells, Batman Smells. Let's jump in. Start by showing your students a picture of Batman and Robin. Ask, who knows these iconic superheroes? Get a quick discussion going and warm up the room. Next, it's time for a villain quiz. Pair or group your students and get ready to energize the class. Show them pictures of Batman and Robin's famous villains, the Joker, Harley Quinn, the Penguin, and more. Here's where the fun begins. To spice things up, give each group buzzers or fly swatters. You can call out a villain's name or give a quick description of their traits. Like, who's got a big, creepy grin and loves chaos? And students race to either buzz in or swat the correct villain on the board. Here's a tip. Feel free to adjust depending on your class size or energy level. This activity sets the stage for a fun and interactive lesson. Now, let's dive in to the main event. Play an instrumental version of Jingle Bells. You can easily find one on YouTube. Ask your students, what's this song? They'll probably guess it right away. Then surprise them with this question. Did you know there's a parody of this song that features Batman? This is the perfect opportunity to teach the concept of parody. Ask your students if they've heard the term before. Then use a tool like Microsoft's Copilot and AI to bring up a simple definition. Here's what Copilot came up with. A parody is like a playful wink from literature, music, or art. It intentionally imitates the style of something else, often with a humorous twist. Picture it as a mischievous twin mimicking its more serious sibling at a fancy party. Here are the key points. Number 1, definition. A parody is a creative work, could be writing, music, drama, or visual art, that deliberately copies the style of a well-known piece or person. The goal? Well, to exaggerate certain features or qualities of the original in a way that tickles our funny bones. The purpose? Parodies serve as delightful mirrors, reflecting the familiar while adding a dash of absurdity. They can gently poke fun at serious themes, famous personalities, or even everyday situations. Remember the rhythm. Parodies often maintain the rhythm, structure, or melody of the original. Here's an extra question for you. Do you know who the carolers are in this picture? Briefly share the backstory of Jingle Bells, Batman Smells. Explain how it became a playground classic and even popped up in pop culture, like in Batman cartoons. I got my origin story from Microsoft's Copilot, but you can get a more detailed version from the website, World History Commons. Okay, here's Copilot's origin story. The origin story. The exact birthplace of Jingle Bells, Batman Smells remains a bit elusive, like Batman himself lurking in the shadows. However, evidence suggests that this playful parody emerged in the late 1960s, around the same time the iconic Batman TV show starring Adam West and Burt Ward hit the screens. Picture this, kids on playgrounds across the United States giggling mischievously as they altered the lyrics of Jingle Bells to include Batman references. Initially, it was a straightforward swap, inserting Batman's name wherever possible. But over time, it evolved into a more imaginative and hilarious parody. And there you have it, a little slice of holiday cheer, Bat style. Here's a sneak peek of the lyrics. Jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin laid an egg. The Batmobile lost a wheel. The Joker got away. Hey. Now it's time for a sing-along. Hand out or display the parody lyrics for Jingle Bells, Batman Smells. Play the instrumental version again and lead your students in singing it together. This not only reinforces the concept of parody, but also builds confidence and group cohesion. Have fun! These lyrics were typed up by a colleague of mine. As you can see, they are next to the instrumental version of Jingle Bells. So you can put something like this onto your whiteboard, for example. Once the students are comfortable, challenge them to create their own holiday-themed parody. Again, you can use AI to help you come up with the task. Here's an example of what you can do in the classroom. Task instructions. Create your own holiday-themed parody lyrics to the tune of Jingle Bells. Be witty, silly, and imaginative. You can choose any topic, holiday-related or not, as long as it fits the rhythm of the original song. The guidelines. The parody should have at least 4 lines, like a verse. It can be about anything, a fictional character, a school event, a favorite hobby, or even a quirky family tradition. Keep it light-hearted and respectful. Here are some examples. Jingle bells, homework smells, teachers give us stress. Pencils break, erasers flake, but we'll still pass the test. Jingle bells, pizza smells, cheese and pepperoni. In the lunchroom we consume, feeling oh so phony. The presentation. Work on your parodies individually or in pairs. Once you're done, we'll have a mini parody showcase where you'll perform your creations for the class. Assessment. We'll be assessing creativity, wordplay, and adherence to the rhythm. Bonus points for making everyone laugh. Here's a tip. Encourage creativity and offer prompts if needed. You can even let students use AI tools for brainstorming. And finally, have a parody showcase. Each group performs their version for the class. It's a great way to celebrate their creativity and boost their confidence. To wrap up the lesson, you can suggest your students check out Batman the Animated Series on YouTube. I'll be sure to put the link in the description box below. It's a fantastic way to connect their parody to the world of Batman. You can even preview this in your class. The first episode in the playlist is about 5 minutes long, so you can show that to your students as well. That's it, teachers. This lesson is packed with fun, creativity, and holiday cheer. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to Ayesha's English Oasis, aka AEO, for more engaging lesson ideas. Until next time, bye.